In America, they might say, "You're crazy, man." In fucking Posh English, this is, "You're bonkers." In fucking Cockney London, they might say, "That's mental. Chicken oriental." In fucking Birmingham, they might say, "Tommy, you're crazy, mate." In bloody Australia, they may say, "G'day, Madge." "G'day, Harold. You're bloody crazy, mate, get you." "G'day, Harold. You're bloody crazy, mate. I'm not paying that for a pint of beer." "G'day, Madge. You're bloody berserk." Whereas in Wales, we'd simply say, Youmoffeweredd Ewearre. Or maybe a little bit lower, Youmoffeweredd Ewearre. So Y is for Youmoffeweredd Ewearre or Youmoffeweredd Ewearre. Tell you. Try it today. Psst, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and share wherever you're watching this to help me beat the old algorithm. Thanks very much. And have a good day. I don't know why the twisty mouth, but some people like it.